Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Ford Focus. So from any screen, you'll see their phone. There's a button for phone there, there's auxiliary radio, CD, and here you've got nav, map, sound and menu. We want menu, so click on menu. Then you've got sync settings. Again, I always go to turn the outside one to scroll down, but you don't. You use the arrows. You'll see there clock settings, audio settings, navigation settings, sync applications, sync settings. Sync settings is the one we want. There's an arrow to the right, so we click the arrow there. That takes you onto another menu. Bluetooth on. If you're having problems with your Bluetooth, if you can't pair your mobile, make sure there's a tick next to that Bluetooth. If I just click that, you'll see the tick's gone. Make sure there's a tick in that box. To delete a mobile though, we want BT devices. BT devices, there's another arrow to the right, so we click on the arrow to the right and you'll see there Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. That's the only one that's paired to this system. That's the one I want to delete. And at the bottom there you've got add, delete and connect. So again, those instructions at the bottom there correspond to these buttons, which don't look like buttons, but trust me, they are. So add, delete, connect. I want to delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. So again, you've got yes in the left hand side and no in the right. If I was doing it wrong, if I picked the wrong one, I'd click no there, but I want to delete that, so that's yes. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro deleted. That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.